Hi, this is Tina Grzinski, your efficiency expert with Excelling Your Business. Today I'm going to show a few different ways that Excel can paste. We all know that you can just copy and paste by hitting the Control-V key, and that will copy the formula and the formats and everything in one cell to another. But did you know that you can also paste special and just paste the value? So now, instead of a formula being in this cell, I actually have the value. So it converted the formula to the value. So now there's no formula in there. So if I copied this down from here, it's going to copy that actual number and not the formula. And now the formula is there by copying it down. However, there's another way that there's other things that we can do with the paste function. So I'm going to copy, move to the cell where I want things to go. I'm going to go to paste and paste special again. And I'm going to show you a transpose. And what transpose means is to flip everything on its axis. So instead of having my stores going down the rows, store north, south, I now have my quarters. So the quarters flipped from being in the columns to in the rows, and the rows flipped from being in the rows to the columns. And all the numbers have flipped as well. So it's kind of a cool trick that you can do. It keeps the formulas and everything that was in there, and it switched them from being row formulas to column formulas. So it's a neat trick. Another thing that you can do is if you need all your numbers to be a negative or a positive, you can take a cell and put in -1 and copy and select the data that you want to have be negative in this case, and we're going to paste special again, and we're going to actually multiply and click OK. And these numbers all now change to negatives and put zeros in the ones that had no formulas in them. So it's a couple cool tricks that you can play with paste special within Excel. So when you copy anything, Control-C, paste, and paste special. There are all kinds of things that you can do with this. So play with it and see what's out there, and there's many things that you will find that you can do much easier and a lot quicker. Hope you have an awesome day. Thank you.